Really?
Trying to eat me. You see, some fish.
Oh, maybe it's like not fish. Okay, can you?
So I'm in Sida National Park. Not a very famous place, but still, it's a small province which is called Kaeo. As you can see on the map, Kaeo is a tiny province in the southeast of Thailand, basically in the middle of nowhere. Not that many tourists are here, and I'm the only white person, and people call me Falang, which basically means a white person. They also call a fruit Falang because of its color. I'm gonna see some waterfalls. Going down to see the waterfalls is gonna be noisy, I guess, and I see a lot of people behind me. These people are not used to foreigners, Falang as they call us, so they're gonna point at me with their fingers, I guess. Anyway, let's see. Sida Waterfalls, yes? And maybe this way. I hope it's not very noisy. I'll try to speak louder. The surface is very slippery. I have to be careful. We'll try to find a better spot to see the waterfalls. So far we haven't seen that much because the weather is cloudy and there are a lot of trees. So probably the quality isn't great, but anyway, we'll do our best to make good vlogging. Yeah.
Yes.
Tell us something about your famous waterfalls.
I never go to somewhere else about the people. This is like mine the first time, and it's my favorite. Yeah.
Your favorite time?
Yeah.
There is no another way to do vlogging except for doing some mistakes, so we're gonna look awkward, but that's the point. Everyone does some bullshit, so we are going to talk on camera. You can see the waterfalls behind me. That's how you do vlogging. Look, I'll show you. Huh? We are not professional and we don't even pretend to be.
Deep, right? Oh, really?
Trying to eat me. You see, some fish.
Oh, maybe it's like not fish. Okay, can you?
No, it's fish, I know.
Really?
They're trying to eat your skin, their skin. See?
What's that?
Some fish.
Try to eat your skin, right? Like a dead skin.
Yes. Have to be deeper.
Deeper.
Oh, you see?
Oh,
They try to eat me.
yeah. And we came to like a paprika. Oh,ไม่ใช่ paprika. What's that? Papilanya.
Ow, they're eating me.
Is it like a herb?
Chakati.
Oh my gosh. Mong đấy ba, mong nè. It's over here. Huh? What's that? Shit. Oh shit. A little bit raining. Hả? Không phải đây là nhắn? Oh, kind of deal. They eat here, right?
Yes. Can you see it? Yeah, they're eating me. Ah, อร่อยมาก
Oh, a lot of fish.
They're so hungry. Look. Mani ma, mani ma.